Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Welcome to the Outlook 2007 environment. You'll find the layout of the Outlook program to both be intuitive and easy to use, whether you're new to Outlook or simply upgrading from a previous version. Many traditional Microsoft items are still available for use in Outlook 2007, such as the menu bar, but then there are also new items that we can use to navigate the application, like the new ribbon that appears inside of your message windows. Now let's begin learning how to use Outlook by first familiarizing ourselves with the placement of the objects in the Outlook screen, what they're called, and what their purpose is within the program. In the next few lessons then, we'll look at the different items in detail. So from the top to the bottom, up at the top we have the title bar, and that'll show you what folder you're currently in and the name of the application in the upper left corner. Now below that you have your menu bar, and this is where you can access many of the commands used in the program, and they're organized by category. And you can click on a category such as File, roll your mouse down to the command that you'd like to execute, and if it's got a little arrow at the right side, you can make a choice from the side menu that appears in order to execute a command. Or if it's just like this command, close all items, in that case you can just click on it to execute it. Now below the menu bar, you'll have the standard toolbar, and here you have different buttons that you can click on in order to manage the contents of the selected folder below. So currently we're looking at our inbox in our mail folder, so we would see buttons on the standard toolbar that correspond to mail management. What you should notice about this toolbar is that depending on which folder you're in Outlook, the buttons available will change. Now below that and to the left, we have the navigation pane. And you can see that the navigation pane is broken into different categories that you can click on to display your mail, your calendar, your contacts, and your tasks. And then there's also buttons at the bottom for notes, a folder list, and different shortcuts that you can create. So you click on a category, and then you can see, like in the mail category, we have the different mail folders that are available. You can click on one of those to select them. The contents of what's selected at the left pane will then show in the middle here. So here we're looking at our inbox folder, which we can see by the heading at the top of the column. So here's where our mail would be located. If you select, in this case, a mail message, that will show up in this reading pane to the right. Then at the far right side we have our to-do bar, which you can collapse and expand as needed. That shows your calendar, appointments and meetings that you have, and your tasks that you need to complete. So in the next few lessons then, we're going to discuss the different aspects of the interface and how to use them.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.